Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not the
Whatever you do to stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You should be all so dramatic. I care. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alyssa. I have my sister here. So guys, today we're at Maiden Cay and we're gonna go swimming. I don't know how it look in real life. How it look in real life, guys? Are you answering for something? It look nice. The edges look like makeup. Yeah, my edge is white. But anyways, OOTD outfit of the day. I'm gonna show you guys it better because it's bomb. I gotta take some. I'm gonna take some Instagram pictures, so follow me on Instagram if you have not.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, step back in and do you. I just got him out. 'Cause you take it
It's literally gone. My phone gone if it dropped.
It's just different. We can take it slow. Oh, I like how I do. Let's get the basics. Whoa, now he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel. Yeah. Nah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Till we break the code. No way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Leave a last one out to get the stone. No way.
Please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Which eyebrow is gone? We're two redheads, guys. Them can't see my which eyebrow? Yes, I did my makeup in the car, so don't laugh. The edge is not even there. It's a little highlight, but no. Yeah, look at that. Anyways, I want to look around too. Are you gonna get tattooed or too? Ask for a paper bag from now on because shut down there parts. All I do is going like that. More people are coming. Coming and saying it was these people like
Anybody need drop out?
yes.
Can you beat the shadow? Put you waiting all up, daddy. I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line.
But I'm always makeup right now because it look bad. It
Her
look
hair
bad.
is like, it don't look no way.
Ajay, hold on. Cool.
Are you on your Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in
Okay guys, so we got some food before we go. The pasta don't taste good.
So I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe?
Can go upstairs when you finish.
Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
We're gonna go to the side. Whoa, look what I'm holding on to. This is not safe.
I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
Come, man, you drop. I have to come back and take your phone. You're not gonna find it right this one. Alright, I come in. No. That's like a bus. Get your time to me. Get your time to me. Why don't if you get too on? Oh, you come up. Step up, yourself. Oh shit. What's the phone? I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna drop. This not fair. I mean, it don't save, just hold on. Don't want your face to cry. Oh, my God, come back. What do you mean? We can't do it. Oh, God. Why you chin up on the sub? People have literally have a real fire. Oh, look. Oh.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? What you waiting on, little daddy? I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. Still waiting when you want it, got to keep me out of shell. Don't you used to me, I'll kick it with my new bitch. I still hang around.
We made it over to the island. That was tiring. Come, let's take a tour. Okay, there's not really anything over there. And when you come over here, you know, I play my song, that would be nice. Be a copyright in this.
wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie.
May I get a dip? Get a dip? Should I? The phone. The waterproof. I don't even know. Because if yours not, then I think I know that 12 Pro, mine is an XR.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better